China calls for the removal of US sanctions against Iran. World Health Organization has called for ensuring new vaccine life-saving oxygen corticosteroid for severe disease equitably. In Iraq, 5 Daesh militants have been killed during government airstrike in Salahuddin province. Biden ordered to remove Patriot anti-missile system and forces from the Persian Gulf. UN condemns ongoing violence by Myanmar security forces against civilians. The US confirmed to take part in meeting in Vienna next week on the Iran nuclear deal. Chinese president says China always stands with Pakistan to jointly fight against COVID-19. Rights group urge Russian to wake up to Syria abuse.